Today we're going to learn how to set the bed size. This bed is 200 millimeters in the X direction and 200 millimeters in the Y direction. Some beds will have different sizes, so they might be 300 by 200 millimeters. So in Marlin Firmware, in a moment I'll show you how to set the bed size to a smaller size of 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, so that you can see how to change the envelope for your firmware. Okay, we're going to go into the Marlin folder for 1.1.8. We're going to go into the Marlin folder where the solution file is. Type Marlin. We're going to open up the INO. We're going to do a search on X bed size on the configuration.h tab. Currently, we have the X bed size as 200 and the Y bed size at 200. So we're going to change these both to 100 just so you can see how to reduce the size. And also I'll show you the Z max position. Normally this is 200. You can always change it to whatever you'd like, but in this case we'll do 100. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to compile and upload. Okay, as you can see, the print bed is way beyond the 100 that we set up for both the X and the Y. So first I'm going to home the X. Then I'm going to home the Y. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and move the X to 100. Now I'm going to try and move it to 110. It doesn't want to move. So let's try the Y axis. So we moved it 100. Now let's try 110. Doesn't want to move. So if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe, and thank you for your time.